Hi everyone, this is Atanas with LegalTrek and welcome to our product videos with background music. I hope you're all staying healthy and safe in this moment, and as you can see, I'm in the form for adding a new client. To remind you that we have a setting for invoicing currency, which is in invoicing settings in every client, and we can have this setting in every matter. But now, as you can see, this value for the invoicing currency is filled. Why is it filled? Well, because we finally added a setting for a default invoicing currency, meaning if you don't fill anything in any of your clients, this is the currency which is going to show up in step 2 of your invoicing. So where can I find this setting? Of course, in settings, in invoice settings. I'm going to ask you to fill this if it has not been filled to your basic default invoicing currency. We pre-filled it for most of our customers, but if somebody doesn't have it pre-filled, please enter and pre-fill it. And of course, what's going to happen is when I'm creating an invoice for a client, I will be able to invoice the client in my default currency unless I've specified otherwise in my settings for invoicing this particular customer. So this is the new setting. I hope you use it. It's important that you set it initially and enjoy your usage of the system.